Welcome to FHOPE. Watch as a heavy steel coil automatically enters the packaging station on our roller conveyor.
Phase 1. Stretch wrapping. The machine applies tight, multi-layer film to effectively seal out moisture and dust. This fully automated process ensures consistent packaging quality while significantly reducing manual labor. Next, the coil conveys to the second station for an additional layer of reinforced protection. Using through-the-eye technology, the machine wraps the coil in high-strength composite material for maximum durability. Dual-layer packaging is complete. The coil is now fully protected against rust and damage, ready for shipment.